Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of technology: Midland Automation HAE0102 ISS. 2 PCB card. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does a PCB card do in halon release panels? And why is it so crucial for fire safety systems? This little card is the unsung hero behind the scenes, ensuring that your fire suppression systems work flawlessly. But here's a thought: what happens if it fails? Are we putting lives at risk? And with the growing trend towards eco-friendly alternatives, should we still rely on halon systems, or is it time for a change? Join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the future of fire safety technology? Is it time to innovate, or do we stick with what we know? Let's discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching us. Please like, share, and subscribe.